You understand English. You can read English. You can watch English movies and videos. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. Your heart beats faster, your mind goes blank, and the words disappear. If this sounds like you, this video is exactly what you need. Let me tell you something very important. You are not bad at English. You are just afraid of speaking it. And fear has nothing to do with intelligence. Most English learners believe one big lie. They believe they must speak perfect English, perfect grammar, perfect accent, perfect sentences. But perfection is the enemy of progress. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you speak perfectly as a child? Of course not. You made mistakes. You spoke wrong sentences. But you spoke confidently. That confidence helped you learn faster. English is the same. You don't learn English by staying silent. You learn English by using it. Many people say, I will speak English when my grammar improves. But grammar improves after speaking, not before. Speaking is not the result of learning. Speaking is the process of learning. Here is the truth most people won't tell you. Fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about clarity. Slow English is better than silent perfection. Broken English is better than no English. If people understand you, you are already successful. Now let's talk about fear. Fear comes from thinking about other people. You think they will laugh. You think they will judge you. But most people don't care about your English. They care about understanding you. And even if someone laughs, that does not define you. That defines them. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about being brave. Now I want to share a simple daily method with you. If you do this for just 15 minutes a day, your English speaking will improve. First, stop translating in your head. When you think in your own language and then translate to English, your brain becomes slow. Instead, use simple English, not perfect. English, simple English. For example, don't try to say big sentences. Say simple ones. I am learning English. I want to speak better. I feel confident today. Simple sentences build confidence. Second, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. In the mirror, while walking, while doing daily work. Say what you are doing. I am making tea. I am going to work. I am watching a video. This trains your brain to think in English. Third, speak slowly. Speaking fast is not fluency. Speaking clearly is fluency. Slow English sounds confident. Fast English sounds nervous. Fourth, stop memorizing long sentences. Memorization does not build speaking skills. Usage builds speaking skills. Use the words you already know. You don't need more vocabulary. You need more courage. Another very important thing. Stop comparing yourself to others. Someone will always speak better. Someone will always sound more confident. That does not matter. Your only competition is yesterday's you. English is a global language. It does not belong to one country. Your accent is not a problem. Your accent is your identity. People with accents speak English every day in offices, meetings, and businesses. Confidence matters more than accent. Now I want you to repeat something with me. I am not afraid of English. Say it again. I speak English with confidence. The more you speak, the more your fear disappears. Fear grows in silence. Confidence grows in action. You don't need motivation. You need consistency. Speak daily, even if it's bad, even if it's simple, because every sentence you speak makes you better. English is just a language. It does not decide your worth. It does not decide your intelligence. You are learning, and learning takes courage. So start today, not tomorrow, not next month. Speak today, because the moment you start speaking, English becomes easier.